In recent years, the new trend of tech industries has gone towards Industry 4.0, which combines intelligent manufacturing, digitalized production, automation, and incorporates a brand new form of production. Drives production and services through integrating virtual scenarios while controlling and analyzing end-user data in real time. Connecting up-downstream machinery with the internet while concluding all of the data to the cloud for analyzation is a dream come true thanks to smart devices, IoT, big data, and cloud services. Such diverse means of application is also a solution in response to rapidly changing market needs of customization and high-mix, low-volume production. Are you worried about connecting the data of your machinery within the factory? Or do you have no idea at all for how to connect the equipment in your factory to even begin with? Do you wish to instantly get a hold of your factory status and manage your factory more conveniently as the manager? CNCtek's Intelligent Manufacturing Cloud platform helps make linking up multiple controllers, uploading controller data to the cloud, providing optional corporate private cloud, as well as keeping you in sync with internal personnel, machinery, materials, method, and getting hold of the factory status a reality. Go with CNCtek, for we provide 24/7 customer service with instant response. Dense cross-strait branches with continual overseas expansion and is becoming a global brand. Diverse yet highly integrated product lines. We are actively invested in the rising future trend of Industry 4.0. CNCtek is your most trusted technical service.